The miracle of the host turning into flesh with blood had been scientifically studied. According to the finding, the blood is type AB, consistent with the blood types of all Eucharistic miracles that happened all over the world. As an academician, I abhor flashy and showy claims of miracles, since they can be fake and are usually subjective. I go more to what is rational and can be explained. I don't like emotionalism too. So the miracle I am sharing with regard to my Nadju experience is about the change of attitude and perception. From a skeptic, I began to entertain the idea that what happened in Nadju is authentic and real. What cemented my belief was the brief encounter with the visionary herself. There was no trace of ego or self-consciousness on her part. She just had the pure delight of being able to share the good things the Lord has done to her. Despite her health, she stood for hours sharing God's goodness and love through her as God's servant. There was no attempt for theological sophistication to impress, but a simple sharing of God's love, mercy, and compassion, so that we could experience her delight and joy of being with God. Mama Julia, as a simple Catholic Christian, describes her God experience according to her own understanding and perception. That is why I believe that Nadju is now calling all of us to make these messages understandable and at the same time theologically sound. Mama Julia's experience is unique and particular, but the message is for all of us and universal. So let us help making these messages intelligible and credible for all the world to believe. So the miracle that happened in me is that from a skeptic to a believer, and from a believer to firm collaborator. Okay. Praise be the Holy Trinity and Mama Mary.